How to create YouTube Kids profile. Creating a YouTube Kids profile is simple and lets parents manage what their child can watch. So first of all, just make sure that you have downloaded the YouTube Kids app on your mobile device. Then all you have to do is tap on the open option available to open the YouTube Kids on your device. Now once you're inside the YouTube Kids, all you have to do is tap on the Get Started button available there. Now once again, you'll be navigated to sign in with your parents' account, or you can simply see the video I'm skipping with just by tapping on arrow. Now here, let me sign in with my account. Here, simply tap on the continue option available there. Now here you will get to see all the settings you can use in the YouTube Kids, and after done, simply tap on the done and tap on the profile, or you can create a new one. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.